question on this to the Honorable Chief Minister. If the government has a thought in mind, I'll be very happy to know how to balance for the post of a class 6, as has been stated by by Honorable Chief Minister, but even a master degree apply for the same post. So now, how to balance a class 6 pass with a master degree pass applying for the same post? So if the government can think how to balance this, I'll be very happy to hear. And if the Chief Minister is prepared to have any plan for this, I'm very happy to hear from him, sir.
So these are the terms and the procedures that have been laid down, and hence this is what the process is, and this is what is being followed. For the reason that the Honourable Member has just mentioned, precisely that's the reason why we need to balance out a lot of this. In the previous, in 2017, when the former Chief Minister and the former government had written to Government of India, this point was precisely mentioned in the letter, saying that there are different qualified people applying, and hence the interview will allow the selection committee to be able to then understand the other qualities of the individual, and hence interview is necessary because of the fact that there is a huge difference in the people who apply and who are qualified for this position, because it's only class 6. That is the criteria that is there, and hence even a PhD can apply for this. And that's precisely the reason why in the previous 2017, the letter was sent saying that the interview process is necessary to differentiate between these two individuals and see the other qualities that could be there in the person and who would be better for the particular job. But all these factors are, as I said, we need to look into it. It's not a small decision. It's a decision that affects the youth and the lives of our citizens, and hence we have to be very careful, and we have to really do a lot of analysis and examination, and we cannot do a simple approach where we do just a piecemeal basis. We strongly feel that whatever reforms we do should be reforms that are overall in nature, and we consider all aspects of it and come with one major reform, rather than doing small bits of reforms every now and then, and really ultimately realizing that maybe we didn't realize that some decision affected another, and then it becomes all complicated. So we are examining it, not because only this issue is left to be examined. There are many issues, and hence as a government we need to look at all those issues, including this issue, bring it on the table, discuss it, and come up with one reform for recruitment in all the different recruitment boards that we have, and then come up with a comprehensive policy and a comprehensive change or amendment in the procedure.
Mr. Salim.